How to fix Instagram replay option not showing in 2023. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open your Instagram app. When you come to the messages and request it, and then you will see the request is, and when you click to the messages, basically if you don't see the replay option, then just uninstall the reinstall Instagram app from your Play Store or App Store. And then if doesn't work, or if another option, which is restart your device. After that, your replay options will be showing, or if the replay option not showing, then just go to the settings and privacy, and all the things is go to the help, and then just click to the report app problem options, and then click to the report options. After that, click to the include and continue options, and then just click my replay option not showing. And then click to the send options, and then after some time your options will be available on your account. So hope this helps you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.